What did we find? We found that 6 to 13-year-olds can self-instruct in a connected environment irrespective of anything that we could measure. So if they have access to that computer, they will teach themselves, including intelligence. I couldn't find a single correlation with anything. But it had to be in groups, and that may be of great interest to this group, because all of you are talking about groups. So here was the power of what a group of children can do if you lift the adult intervention. Just a quick idea of the measurements. We took standard statistical techniques, so I'm going to not talk about that. But we got a clean learning curve, almost exactly the same as what you would get in a school. So I leave it at that because, I mean, it sort of says it all, doesn't it? What could they learn to do? Basic Windows functions, browsing, painting, chatting and email, games and educational material, music downloads, playing video. In short, what all of us does. And over 300 children would become computer literate and be able to do all of these things in 6 months with one computer. So how do they do that? If you calculated the actual time of access, it will work out to minutes per day. So that's not how it's happening. What you have actually is, there is one child operating the computer. Surrounding him are usually 3 other children who are advising him to on what they should do. If you test them, all 4 will get the same scores in whatever you ask them. Around these 4 are usually a group of about 16 children who are also advising, usually wrongly, about everything that's going on the computer. And all of them also will clear a test given on that subject. So they're learning as much by watching as they learn by doing. Seems counterintuitive to adult learning, but remember, 8-year-olds live in a society where most of the time they're told, don't do this. Don't touch the whiskey bottle. So what does the 8-year-old do? Observes very carefully how a whiskey bottle should be touched. And if you tested him, he would answer every question correctly on that topic. So they seem to be able to acquire very quickly. So what was the conclusion of all these 6 years of work? Was that primary education can happen on its own, or parts of it can happen on its own. It does not have to be imposed from the top downwards. It could perhaps be a self-organizing system. So that was the second bit that